Imagine this. It's late at night. You're sitting alone in your room. The lights are off. Your computer screen is the only thing glowing in the darkness. You click a link. You enter a hidden part of the internet, a place where no one knows your name, a place where no one knows your face, a place where secrets are bought and sold. And then you see it, a listing, simple, plain, terrifying, dark web mystery box. No description, no explanation, just a price and a promise. What's inside is a mystery. Today, we uncover the truth behind dark web mystery boxes. Are they real, or are they the biggest scam on the internet? This is the reality. Before we open the box, you need to understand where it comes from. The internet you use every day is only a small part of the whole network. Most of the internet is hidden, and deep inside it is something called the dark web. The dark web is designed for anonymity. It hides identities. It hides locations. It hides everything. People use it for privacy, but others use it for crime. Illegal marketplaces, stolen data, fake identities, and things far worse. It's a place where trust doesn't exist, and danger is always present. Years ago, videos began appearing online. People claimed they bought mystery boxes from the dark web. They filmed themselves opening them, their hands shaking, their voices nervous, their faces filled with fear. Inside the boxes, they found strange things: old photographs, broken phones, USB drives, keys, letters, and sometimes things that made no sense. These videos went viral. Millions watched, millions believed, but very few asked the most important question. Was it real? Fear is powerful. Fear keeps you watching. Fear keeps you curious. And mystery creates fear, because your imagination fills the gaps. When you don't know the truth, you create your own. And your imagination is always worse than reality. This is why mystery boxes became popular, because they let people believe. They let people wonder. They let people be afraid. Cybersecurity experts began investigating. They searched dark web marketplaces. They looked for mystery box listings. They analyzed sellers. They analyzed buyers. And they discovered something shocking. There was no evidence of real mystery boxes. No verified sellers. No verified buyers. No proof. Only stories. Only claims. Only videos. Think about it. If someone was selling illegal items, why would they sell them randomly? Why would they risk exposure? Why would they create evidence? Criminals don't sell mysteries. They sell products. Specific products. Because mystery creates risk. And risk leads to arrest. This alone raises serious questions. Many viral videos are entertainment. They are stories. They are performances. They are designed to attract attention, to get views, to get clicks, to get money. And mystery boxes are perfect for that, because they create suspense. They create drama. They create fear. But entertainment is not reality. The real danger isn't mystery boxes. It's scams. People lose money. People lose identities. People lose everything. Because once it's gone forever. There's no customer support, no refunds, no protection, only loss. So, are dark web mystery boxes real? There is no proof, no evidence, no confirmation, only stories, only videos, only myths. But the dark web itself is very real and very dangerous. Some mysteries are better left unopened. If you ever see a mystery box listing, remember this video. Remember the truth. And remember, curiosity can be dangerous, because sometimes the real horror isn't inside the box. It's inside your mind.